in today's video I'll be doing a smoky eye, a brown smoky eye with the red lips. Well, it's a bit of a halo smoky eye, whichever you want to explain it. So it's a and a red lip, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint, my favorite red lipstick of all times. So make sure you continue to watch this video if you like to see how I got this sexy look. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Make sure you subscribe and help me grow this channel to its full potential. And yeah, continue watching if you like this video, and don't forget to comment in the comment section and drop your video requests, and I'll certainly get to them. So the first color I'll be taking for my transition is this orange color here from the Morphe. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering, I went ahead and did my foundation and everything before filming this look, seeing that it's just the eye look and the eye and lip I'm mostly focusing on. So if you want to see my foundation routine, you can always check it out. I will link it up top, guys, so you can click that video, and yeah, make sure you go ahead and click it. So the next color I'll be taking is this orange here. It's a lighter shade orange, so just to give it a bit of dimension, so I'm going dark then light. You could always switch brushes if you want, but I'm just using the same brush because I can't be bothered to be washing like one bag of brush every minute. And then now I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow. I'm going to take this chocolate brown here, and now I'm switching the brush to this one. It's like a taper blending brush. Do a quick crease in the center of the lid, but not too much, just a slight cut. So that's about it, because we're going to put the lighter eyeshadow here. Juvias place palette, and this is how it looks, guys. It fell, and the shadow that I love the most is the one that's damaged. So I'm just using Casablanca. So if you have this palette, you know what I'm talking about. I don't even know how to put back this so it can stay put in the thing. So I'm just going to swipe it out with my finger. The other eye, and then I'm going to go back into the brown eyeshadow, to the eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to take another brown eyeshadow, and then I'm just going to darken the inner and outer corner some more. And I'm just going to clean back up with the orange eyeshadow. Yeah. And now I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to highlight using this shadow. Because when you do a smoky eye, you know smoky eye is dark. So when you highlight your brow bone, it actually lifts your eye, and it doesn't make your eye look so dark overall. So now I'm going to smudge this brown eyeshadow here, the darkest brown. I'm not going to bring it all the way across my eyes. I'm just going to put it at the outer corner because I don't want it to be too dark. I'm going to take this orange shadow now and smudge everything out. Oh Lord, I forgot that I have the setting powder here now. Alright, so I'm just going to smudge this out with the orange shadow. So I'm going to apply my eyelashes and then come back and then finish up my lips and everything. My lips, I don't like this lip liner because it's not creamy, it's stiff as hell. So now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint. this is the finished look, guys, and I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys love how it came out as well. This look is perfect for either date night or just going out with your friends or any occasion, even your birthday. And the red lip, I mean, if you don't have this, and if you're a lover of red lipstick, please do try it, and it's suitable for all skin tones and it works well. It's a perfect red. So yes, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.